Your local SoftWash Systems in-network company is educated and trained in protecting your home or business. We're going to show you one aspect of the system they follow in which they use our state-of-the-art equipment to proactively care for your landscape. Our plant wash product is a leave-in spray that is safe, biodegradable, and perfect for minimizing and preventing any damage caused from an untrained professional cleaning your exterior. Seeing is believing, so let's do a 7-day experiment where we put plant wash to the test. On the left, we will be using our plant wash, and on the right, we will not. All companies should be pre-hydrating the landscape, and so we will start by pre-hydrating both areas with only water for 30 seconds. Next, let's directly spray our SoftWash solution with our bleach set at 3% and green wash soap at 1 ounce per gallon. We'll spray both areas for 2 minutes to simulate overspray and any runoff that may enter the area from downspouts. All companies should be post-hydrating the landscape afterwards, so we will rinse both sides with only water for another 30 seconds. This is where most companies would stop in protecting your landscape. Now let's spray our plant wash for 1 minute at neutralizing strength on the left side to show you how amazing this product is with our state-of-the-art equipment.
Now you can clearly see the advantage that SoftWash Systems in-network companies have in the ability to make sure that you are absolutely rest assured that your landscaping is going to be protected by utilizing our Rinse DC technology with our integrated plant washing system. Again, how do you get that great technology and how do you get that assurance that your landscaping will be treated well during your SoftWash cleaning? Well, make sure that you look for this shield and choose a SoftWash Systems authorized company.